As the pandemic rages on and work and schools go online, the need for internet at home becomes more and more crucial. But not everyone has equal access to the internet, and all internet access is not created equal. 19 million Americans, or 6% of the US population, lack access to high-speed internet. Most of that population lives in rural areas. But even for those with access, not all Americans use it. White Americans use the internet more than Black people and Hispanic people. And lower-income Americans use it the least. As might be expected, they have lower levels of technology adoption compared to higher-income Americans in all categories. In fact, 1 in 5 American adults use smartphones as their primary and only means of online access, meaning they have no other devices at home. When it comes to children who are now forced to learn from home, this creates challenges that are likely to widen the achievement gap between wealthier, mostly white students and poor students and people of color. To help not widen the gap further during the pandemic, many school districts have been partnering with private tech companies. New York City partnered with Apple and T-Mobile to distribute internet-enabled iPads to low-income families. And Los Angeles is working with Verizon to provide internet connectivity for students who lack it at home. Other districts are getting innovative, like Charleston, South Carolina, which cranked up the Wi-Fi output signals in schools so that those living nearby could use it or tap into it from school parking lots. They also have been bringing buses with Wi-Fi to different neighborhoods, particularly low-income ones. But these are all stopgap measures. They're a temporary band-aid to a fundamental access problem in this country.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.